Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this DIY we'll be using this marble designed glass bowl from Dollar Tree. I said marble design because it's not real marble. We are going to be using it for decor, okay? So not only will we be using this, we'll also be using the matching plate. Now this is a small salsa type plate. Now it's super simple, but it's so pretty. I swear to God, it's so pretty for it to be this simple. It's really not going to take much to do this. You're going to need some glue, and you have an option to decorate it. Another thing I like about this DIY is that you can do it in any color. If you can find it in red, orange, green, blue, white, you can do this to match your decor. You can do so much, and I'll give you some ideas on what to do. But it's simple. I'm just going to remove these stickers and then glue this right on top. I'm going to go ahead and remove these stickers and clean this top with some alcohol, and right inside here with alcohol as well. So I'll do that. Okay guys, I'm back and both my pieces are thoroughly cleaned. So what I'm going to do is use this Gorilla Clear Grip Glue. This is my favorite. I really don't care for the other brand that I used to use back in the day. And I'm just going to put it right around the base of the bowl. Okay, and I've already flipped this over, and I'm just going to put that right in the center. So you just want to turn your plate, press down, go all the way around, make sure that it's centered. Hold it like this and flip it over. Put it to the side. Okay guys, so this is one I did ahead of time because I want to. And as you can see, the base, which is the bowl, is actually darker than the plate. And because it's from Dollar Tree, something is gonna always be a little bit off. I like it the way that it is now. It's really pretty. You really don't have to do anything to it. But if you want to add some bling, you can put some of this bling on there. You can try some of the diamond bling. You probably put some of that, and I'll probably use some diamond bling to go around it. You can use some mirror tile around the base as well, but I wouldn't do no more than 2 rows at a time. I also have some flower bling, and you can use that around the base as well. So I'm gonna do one with bling and one without bling. So I decided to go ahead and use some of this diamond bling. I think I'll use about 3 rows all the way around. Okay, so this is what it looks like on the base. And I went ahead and started putting 1 thin strip on the plate as well. Okay? And whenever I'm working with this diamond bling, as I like to call it, I always keep the leftovers because you can use those as well, just like now. So if you do decide to give these as gifts and you use the diamond bling with the adhesive on the back, add some additional adhesive to your piece as well. Here's what it looks like, completely trimmed out. Okay, so now I want to take some of my Dollar Tree diamond shaped gems just to give it a little bit more interest. Now of course this is optional. You can glue them like this, or you can kind of glue it under. Take your hot glue gun and add your glue. Okay, then continue to go all the way around. So I'm going to continue to go all the way around off camera and then come back. Now moving on to DIY number 2. We have a larger plate and a smaller plate. And right now, guess in the comments what you think it's going to be. Alright, so here is the SKU for the larger plate, the dinner plate. And let's see if we can pull this up. Well, that's not going to come up easy. So I'm going to have to go ahead and remove that. I also have the small pencil holder that looks like a little wastebasket, and I picked this up at Dollar Tree as well. And I have this glass candle holder that I found at Goodwill. Ahead of time, I washed this plate and removed the sticker. So now I just washed the larger plate, the dinner plate, and removed the sticker as well. So now I'll go ahead and remove this tag, and then I'm going to take it outside and spray paint it silver. And I'll use this Rust-Oleum 2x Ultra Cover metallic silver. So I'll do that and then come back with all the pieces. Okay guys, so let's get started. Here's my little basket. And I have already spray painted it silver. So what I'm going to do now is add some of my flower bling to it. And I'm just going to cut one row. I want it to go around the base. I always like to burn the string off. So now I'll take my hot glue gun. Here's the seam, so I'll start there. So I'll go ahead and add another row of flowers around here and then come back. Alright, so this is what I have now. And the first thing I want to do is put some glue right on top. And let me say this piece is really sturdy. I can't even bend it, so it's really firm. I like that. So it's strong enough to hold this plate. And put this right in the center. Look at that, isn't that cute? Naturally, the next thing I want to do is put this in the center. Now, I'm going to flip this upside down because if I put it this way, then I have less plate to use. If I flip it this way, I have more plate. And I'm not using one of the Dollar Tree candlestick holders because they tend to lean. I found this one at Goodwill. And put this right in the center. Okay, next I'll take some glue and put it right on top of here. Just like that. So now I'll let that completely dry. After this dries, I might add some more bling to it. Maybe some flower bling right in here just to tie everything together. And then I'm going to add some fairy lights in the bottom, light it up and let you guys see what it looks like. And as promised, here's my first candle holder with no added bling. The marble design actually completes the look. And here's my second candle holder after I added some of the acrylic diamonds and bling to it. These 3 pink candles are from Dollar Tree as well. And finally, here is our marble design 2-tiered tray. Okay everyone, this concludes my video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And if you did, please leave me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Okay everyone, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.